Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this video. Allow me to teach you how to play with yarn. To subscribe to my channel, the subscribe button is at this corner, and please do check out my other videos too. They're all as informative and fun to learn as this video. And today I'm going to make the letter M. Someone requested a tote bag, laptop bag from me, and wanted the name Kim on the bag. And this particular video I'm going to show you how to do the M. These are made from rope yarn, but today I'm going to show you with cotton yarn. You can use this about any yarn to make those alphabet, and you can use this about any hook size according to the yarn that you're using. But of course, if you use a different type of yarn, your alphabet might come out slightly different from my alphabet. Okay, today I'm gonna make the letter M. Gonna start by making a knot. This is just my habit of making a knot. You can make a knot anyhow that's comfortable to you. So after this knot, I'm going to chain 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So after chain 26, we're going to work on the bum side. So if you take a look here, if you have a V shape here, the one that's facing us is called a front loop. This one is called the back loop. So today we're not going to use these two. We're going to use the bum side. When you turn this chain to slightly to the back, you can see all this bum, or you can call it hum, whichever. So now we're gonna start by doing single crochet on the second stitch from the hook. This is the hook, this is the first stitch, this is the second stitch. Turn it to the back, go to the hum side, this hum or bum, and make a single crochet. So there's one single crochet, and you go to the next, 2 single crochet, and you go to the next, 3 single crochet, 4, and 5. So after the 5 single crochet, we're going to make it curve, or some call it the shell, but I call it the curve because the M have to curve this way. So here, the next stitch, the next hum or bum, you do a single crochet, you chain 1, and you do a single crochet into the next bum. So it kind of technically curved this way. And now I'm going to do 4 slip stitch. 1, these are slip stitch, you put through all. 2 slip stitch, 3, and 4. After 4 slip stitch, here I'm going to do 2 together. You pull up a yarn, you go to the next bum, you pull up a yarn, you have 3 on your hook, you put through all 3, and it will curve this way. And here I'm going to do slip stitch again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, the fourth slip stitch, here it curves a bit, so it also depends on how you're gonna sew it onto your bag or whatever part that you're doing it for. It's the way you're gonna stick it onto that thing. Can make it closer together so it curve this way. And here we're going to make that corner again. So the next hump, I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 1, go to the next hump and single crochet, and here I'm going to single crochet all the way down, which you will have about 6 stitches. I'm gonna look like this. Excuse me. You really have to, when you sew it onto the bag, you have to make sure this is straight, and how this curve, which part will curve. And here we have the letter M. I hope you find this informative. I hope this is helping you. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video as much as I do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next post.